Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to swap Trust Point to USDT using Trust Wallet. First, launch the Trust Wallet and make sure you have the Trust Points in your wallet. Then ensure that your wallet is connected to the T-App or Swap feature, which allows you to perform token swaps. Now, tap the T-App browser in Trust Wallet or go to the Swap tab. After that, select a swap platform that supports TRP to USDT such as PancakeSwap or Uniswap and connect your Trust Wallet to the swap platform. Next, in the swap interface, select Trust Points as the currency you want to convert and USDT as the currency you want to receive. Then, enter the amount of TRP you want to swap. After that, review the exchange rate and any fees carefully to make sure everything is correct. Now, click Swap or Confirm. Approve the transaction in Trust Wallet and wait for the blockchain confirmation, which usually takes a few seconds to a few minutes depending on the network congestion. Finally, go back to your Trust Wallet and check that your USDT balance has increased. If the swap fails or the balance does not update, use the transaction ID to track it on a Block Explorer or contact wallet support for assistance. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.